In this video, I am going to show you how to use a table, an equation, and a graph to represent a relationship. For my first example, I show that Zachary here is selling pencils and he's selling them for 15 cents each. What I'm going to start making is a table to represent the tracking of him selling pencils. And what I'm going to start with is if Zach has sold no pencils at all. So before he begins, if he sells no pencils, he will have made no money. If he sells one pencil, he will have made 15 cents. If he sells two pencils, he will have sold 30 cents worth of pencils, so he'll have 30 cents because it'll go up by 15 cents. If he sells three pencils, he'll get another 15 cents, so that'll be 45 cents. If he sells four pencils, another 15 cents would make 60 cents. And then if he sells five pencils, if we add another 15 cents onto this, we'll get 75 cents. If you need to use your calculator, we would just say 15 cents plus 15 cents. That's how I got 30 cents. Plus another 15 cents. That's how I got my 45. Plus another 15 cents is how I got the 60. And plus another 15 cents is how I got 75. Now that I have my table, I'm going to come up with an equation. My equation is going to be his cost for pencils, selling the pencils. So cost is going to represent 15 cents. Oops, I forgot my 1, so I'm going to squeeze that in there. Per, so times pencils. Now what I'm going to do is use this graph to represent the relationship. So we'll start with my x-axis, which would be my number of pencils that he sells. And my y-axis is going to be the cost. So I'm going to start with labeling my graph here. 0 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will continue if he sells more pencils. And then I'm going to label this by going by tens. Just for me, that would be a little bit easier. Because I think like dimes, 10 cents, since we don't have a 15 cent coin. So this will be 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40, 50, 60, 70 cents, 80, 90 cents, and $1 at the top. Okay, now, excuse me, if Zach sells 0 pencils, he will have 0 cost. If he sells 1 pencil, it'll be 15 cents. So up 10 cents and half, because that's 15. 2 pencils would be 30 cents, so 2 up to the 30. 3 pencils is 45, so I'm going to go up to the 40 and halfway to the 50 cents. 4 pencils is at 60. And 5 pencils is at 75, so 70 to 80 right in the middle there. So notice how it's going up 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/2. So I could continue this pattern by going up 1 1/2. And this one would be halfway off my grid. So this would be the relationship between the number of pencils sold and cost.